Hello everyone, we are here at 9640 Aspen Circle. This is in Spanish Fort, Alabama in the Timbercreek subdivision. Sitting right on the Timbercreek Golf Course. Beautiful yard and views here. We'll go ahead and take you guys inside. This is going to be a one-story house, but you've got just over 2,500 square feet in here. So you've got all this space, extra bedrooms, place for offices, depending on what is the need for your family. So here we are upon entry. As you can see to the left here, we open into what you could make an office, a dining room, a den area, if you guys decide you want a little bit of a formal living space. And we're actually going to go straight ahead here. This is going to be 2 out of the 3 bedrooms in this gorgeous home. Starting furthest to the left, it's going to be our first full bathroom. We do have a single vanity, but it is the length of a double, so that could be an easy addition. Or you just have lots of nice storage space if you do decide to keep it as a single. Here you are with your shower tub combo. Nice built in there. And you do have vanity lighting here as well. Right next door we have our first bedroom. These bedrooms have been totally refurbished when it comes to carpeting. This carpet is brand new. We've got gorgeous windows here for maximal lighting. And you also have a nice sized walk-in closet as well. So you've got top storage on your hanger bars, and then you also have shelving, wood shelving as well, with the metal bars on the bottom. So lovely, lovely storage in that closet. All right, take you guys back out. And then right across the way here, we've got our second bedroom. They do currently utilize this as an office / little twin bedroom, but you can obviously make this fit to whatever your family's needs and desires are. You could keep it strictly as an office, go full guest room, and then same thing in this closet. You've got the wood shelving with the metal bars here, no plastic or wire storage, and we love that. Give you a second little vantage point here. The windows just catch all of the light. I mean, it truly is gorgeous, especially on a sunny day. This closet here is just going to be linen closet, extra storage. And then I'll take you guys back out. So right here, that's going to be a pantry for you. You can use this as additional storage, or you can keep it with a pantry feel. Hardwood floors, by the way. And then look at this kitchen to dining living area. It is beautiful. So open floor plan from kitchen to living space. Amazing for entertaining, as you do have that wraparound that does end up going into the breakfast bar right here. You can fit even a couple more bar stools if you'd like. Open area if you want to keep this as a little eat-in area, or you can open it up, add an island. There's so much room for getting creative in this kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. You do have gas here, gas stove, built-in microwave, that stainless steel dishwasher, and of course your fridge and freezer duo. You could even make this a farm sink if you wanted to, so it is large enough for you to have that option there. And then we come in, you do have your gas-lit fireplace, gorgeous mantle, and this ceiling fan is actually just put in as well. And I love the windows right next to the TV, adding that maximal light. Now here is where your extra square footage has been put in. They currently just enclosed this sunroom. And I mean, it speaks for itself. Tile flooring out here, so you can utilize it, you know, as more of a mudroom, or keep it as a relaxating sunroom if you'd like. And it does have a door to the outside. We'll go out there in a little bit. But I mean, this room is just beautiful. Those bay windows here. And then we'll come in through. We're gonna go into our half bathroom. This will be the only half bath in the unit or in the listing here, but still extremely large. So you can kind of play around with how you want to design that. Full laundry room with full-size washer dryer hookups, and you also have a little utility sink in here as well. So lots of room here if you like to keep laundry in the laundry room like most of us do. And then real quick, just a little sneak peek of the garage. Now on these pull down stairs up here, the attic area is totally equipped to make that a bonus room. You can put heat and AC up there, so it's easily walkable, so it makes for an easy transition if you decide you want to add even more space onto this house. We are going to finish in the master. I mean, look at these high ceilings here. That crown molding's gorgeous. And then if you can tell, you also have doors that lead out to that sunroom that we were just in. So you can open those during the spring and summertime, get a nice little breeze in there, and just enjoy that space as your own kind of little oasis. And then here we are, massive tub in the master bath. You do have his and her vanities, vanity lighting. The bathroom is going to be just off to the left side, and then huge walk-in closet space here. Again, no wire shelving. It's going to be all wood and iron barred. And then coming over here, you do have a full walk-in shower. Again, vanity lighting over the other single. And then coming in here, another walk-in as well. I mean, just tons of space in here. There's also a new AC and heating unit, and the entire home itself has been freshly painted. They took down all the wallpaper, and you've got new paint on all of the walls, including all the cabinets. All 3 toilets in the home have been replaced, so those are all brand new as well. All the outlets and light switches have been changed as well. Ceiling fan in the living room, we mentioned that was new. And they also refinished the front door as well. So, I mean, you are truly walking into a house that has all the new upgrades on it. I mean, you couldn't ask for anything better. So now we're outside from the sunroom. Here's an awesome paved little path right there leading up from the front yard, which is where we started. And you guys can see here, they continued the same tile in the sunroom to the outdoors. So it's very walkable. And then we come back here, and this is all your land as well. So there is a back entrance. This is where your garage is actually going to be. So as you can see, we are still walking. This is all of your land. And then we come to the garage here. Again, if you saw that sneak peek, it is a 2-car garage. And there we go. There's your back entrance. Gorgeous trees. I mean, truly, this house is amazing, whether you're a family with a large amount of kids or you're just looking to expand your family one day. I mean, this house is beautiful. It's gorgeous. Right in Timbercreek subdivision. Just over 2,500 square feet of enclosed livable area. And everything has been completely refurbished and replaced in the past 3 years at most. So again, we are at 9640 Aspen Cir in Spanish Fort, Alabama. Timbercreek subdivision. And we would love for you guys to come check it out.